Native Instruments is running a 5 for $55 expansion deal right now. And I'm not going to lie, it's actually a really good deal. But before you go and spend that $55, you might be buying stuff you already own or stuff you'll never use. I've been using Maschine for years now. I've bought a lot of expansions over the time. And honestly, I usually wait for deals just like this because normally these expansions are $49. So getting 5 for $55 is pretty crazy. So in this video, I'm going to go through some of the best expansions in the sale. I'm going to show you what they actually sound like, what vibe they bring, and who they're really for. Then in the next video, I'm picking 5, and I'm making a full beat using only one of the expansions. Pick any 5 expansions, $55, and save up to 75% until mix. So there's tons. Okay, there's many that you can pick from here. You have artist expansions. There's a few here. Leap expansions, you got Maschine, and you got Massive X. All these are great deals. I'll go through some of these, but I think we should just focus on Maschine expansions because they're the most expensive, and I think you get best bang for buck. Why would you want to get 5 Massive X for $15 each? You're not really saving much. Or you get 5 expansions that are selling for $49 for $55. Reggaeton. I want to get best bang for buck, so I'm kind of contemplating, okay, how many kits there are, how many one shots there are, what's the actual size of the installation. The higher the size, a lot of the time I think it's the best bang for buck. If you go at some of them, they'll be 500 megabytes, but that could be because it's like all drum snares and, you know, drum packs. Other ones have a lot more loops. Quick tip too. Don't just buy expansions because they sound good. A lot of these sounds are amazing, but you'll never open them again. Buy based on what you actually make. Producers don't have a sound problem. We have a buying problem, right? Realistically. Just take that into consideration when you're buying this stuff. 5 for $55 is a crazy deal, and I think you should jump on that. Hey, Native Instruments, holla at your boy. All right, look, that's a perfect example of what I was talking about. 3.66 gigabytes. You have 656 loops. I mean, how many beats can you make with 656 loops? I mean, that's pretty good. But the 50 Maschine kits, 59 battery kits, 32 massive presets. I mean, this is pretty good deals here. Now look at this one. There's 777 total amount of samples. The size is significantly less than the Jersey one that we just listened to. You're talking about 110 different expansions, but a lot of these do come with Komplete. So make sure you're logged in. It usually connects to what you already own and it'll know, and you can filter right here. That's why in the videos I talked about how it's right when you are used to the ecosystem, like iPhone, you get an Apple Watch, you get the AirPods. It just all makes sense because they just work so well together. Same thing with this. Chris Brown. Yeah, so all these you can definitely use in your DAW, because a lot of these you can transfer over. And then there's this Maschine exclusive, right? Like you can open up projects and see how projects were. Like a complete track that you can actually visualize and see how it was put together. And then you could kind of study it almost, which I remember originally doing that when I first started and looking at the projects and then kind of looking at it and going, oh, okay, that's where they put the snare. 10, 15 plus years ago, there really wasn't that much stuff on YouTube about like how to make beats like that. And especially for like stuff like Maschine, it wasn't as crazy. September 5th, 2011. This is the stuff you would see. You would see more like people performing stuff. This video actually made me want the Maschine Micro. Yeah, so there was more performance-based stuff like that. But nowadays, there's a gajillion YouTubers. All right, so we're going to pick some. I'm going to pick Raw Rhythm, Zona, Midnight Flow, Jersey Ride, and Rolling Tides. Because I want some drum and bass, get some Jersey, you get some Latin in there, we get some house, and we get some lo-fi. Next video, I'm taking one of these expansions and making a full beat with only that expansion. No extra sounds, no cheating. If you ever wonder if these are actually worth it, we're about to find out.